great dusky swifts nest behind the waterfall curtains, their remarkable adaptation allowing them to fly through torrents of water unharmed. For the indigenous Guanani people, these falls represent the furious response of a forest deity who is betrayed by his mortal lover. Even today, this mythology shapes how local communities interact with the falls. Reverence and caution intertwined in their approach to this natural wonder. As sunset approaches, rainbow-colored macaws return to their roosting trees near the falls. Their brilliant plumage flashes in the fading light, nature's final display before darkness transforms the experience into a symphony of sound.